Based on business, the major important point is called to increase your page likes. There's a major important point. The page like will be depend on your based on your posting option. Based on your posting your option. So in this one, first of all, here option will be there. Boost your Instagram post, get more page likes. Or else, if the option is not visible to the your page, now clicking this, advertise your business. In this option name is called get promote your page. Select it. The two option will be both are same. Promote your page or get the page likes. So now I'm click here. Is the same option. What is showing for? Like page. Close. I have to see the two options. Get more page likes. Any difference? No difference. But here one condition is there. What is the condition? The image will be text content. Don't give the more than 20% text content. And your getting likes will be two scenario. One is image, second will be video. And one more option is there. Image will be two option. One image, multiple slider image. In this one, we have image, video, slideshow. Select the slideshow here in this option. Browse library. In this, if I'm selecting for option image slideshow, they're asking for video. Create a with 10 images. So in this call, I'm give the option image. I'm using for image. Select here. I'm adding for image. So is the image will be added. So just I'm changing one more image option. Select it. Is not suitable. We can selecting for which is suitable image and by the suitable images. Continue it. Okay, this image I'm adding for in your option. What is the purpose of like page? So first target the audience. Only audience will be targeted by your location wise. Why first of all you can target by the nearest audience. So in this, select your audience. Age wise, I'm selecting up to 45 years, 30 years onwards. This don't forget these options. Here, one more question is there. Suppose you can target any person, you can select by any person also. I can go for interested target also. Both will be. If I'm not select any particular audience, is a difference. How much will be? 54 lakhs. If I'm selecting for 2 lakhs, 10,000. If I'm adding another person, how much? 3 lakhs 60,000. 54 lakhs to now it decreased by how much? 3 lakhs 60,000. Once you remove the one location, the reach also will be decreased. The location wise reaching people. Now click for save. Run continuous this ad are only running for 5 days. This will be continuous running for in this option. Here, per day, how much budget is accepted? So the major question here. The first of all, the previous budget is 40 rupees. Where the previous per day, how much is the minimum? 40. But the remove by the Facebook option. Why? That is called that is not accepting for option. Now the minimum budget will be 71 rupees 67 paisa per day. If I'm adding for 50 rupees, what is showing here? So I'm give the 72. No error. The per page like purpose, we add the minimum budget is the 71 rupees 67 paisa. Mean you can add by minimum 72 rupees you have to maintain. Previous 40 is the default budget. After 43, 49 now will be 72 for minimum budget per day for increasing page likes. Increasing page likes. How many likes you get? 21 to 60 likes per day. 21 to 60 likes per day. Here three important points. You promote our website, page likes, and you're generating traffic for our website option. When is generating traffic will be in your description, you're writing for some option will be here. So how many we writing for? 90. They're showing for in this option. Yeah. You're promoting which one? Website link also on your description. Now everything is done. Now this page, how many page you can visible this option? Desktop feed and mobile news feed. Why is a page likes? They're not promoting Instagram. Why? Page likes is promoted only for Facebook purpose, not for Instagram purpose. Somebody asking question, can I promote Facebook likes on Instagram? It's impossible. Can I create Facebook page like advertisement on Instagram? It will be not created. This option will be no. Just always keep in mind in interview questions. Facebook page likes, the ad will show only for desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed. Finally, select your option name is promote. Is it clear? Finally, you can add your GST with your state and your residence. Now click for add. Is it clear? This option you have to keep it in mind to increase your page likes purpose. So always remember three options. Adding important and your daily budget, you add always middle on the ad creation time. These three keep it on your mind. It's very important. Keep it on your mind. Two steps will be follow on your particular Facebook as time. So finally, you can generating report. Don't another click the save change option. Please remove the close button here. After that, go to ad center. Previous how many ads are there? One. Now will be two ads. Page likes, website visitor. People reach, page likes. People reach, link clicks. This all will show the customer particular generating traffic to the Facebook to website, Facebook to page likes. This all will be options.